single community all over the world. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening. Guys, Christmas in July. Guys, this billionaire program free 1,000 gift promo is going to an end. Today is the 27th day of July. Guys, and the promo ends on the 31st. What are you still doing if you are yet to get yours? Don't joke with this promo. Christmas in July. For everyone that pays their billionaire program fee, we'll be giving a gift reward of 1,000 TBC in addition to your monthly payment rewards. So guys, don't waste time. This is a great opportunity in lifetime. And don't forget, TBC is the one that has been giving the greatest wealth distribution in our world. So don't trivialize it. Stop procrastinating. Take that bold step today. Register if you are yet to register, and if you have registered and you're yet to pay, go and look for the money and pay before the promo comes to an end. The promo comes to an end on Sunday the 31st. Today is Wednesday. Guys, the day is going. Don't joke with this promo. Do all within your best to ensure that you are part of it. Thank you very much. Till I come your way again, don't forget Christmas in July. And don't forget, getting this 1,000 TBC automatically adds 1,000 K love to the number of K-loves you'll be getting. Don't forget that and bear that in mind. So, with K-love in focus, should even prompt you the more to ensure you pay your program fee. Thank you very much. Looking forward to see you making your payments and receive your Christmas in July of 1,000 gift promo. Thank you. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on that bell by your right hand side and subscribe. Thank you. Till I come again. Bless you.